good boy. All right, we're going to turn right over here and face the fence. Yeah, that's exactly right. Good boy. Whoa. Because I don't trust this knot. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, we're about to test the bun bag. Good boy. He didn't mind the noise. Whoa. This thing does not want to do a decent square knot today. There we go. Whoa. There we go. Now we have a good knot on both sides, and it's obviously holding poop. He was not scared by the sound of it dropping in there. That's awesome. Okay. Can you come back a step, please? That's a boy. Good boy. All right, now come right. Come right. Good boy. Very nicely done. Shall we working trot? The dogs. I have a feeling that even Nikki has learned that you leave the badgers alone. Quit! That's a good boy. Oh man, I don't know what the no-see-ums, whatever they are out here, and they are biting hard. He has my sympathies. This is one of those days that I wish I had on a turtleneck and a sweatshirt with a hood and a neck rag and everything else. All right, I want you to walk. Walk. Can you walk on that thing? Are you a big brave boy? Can you walk over that? Yes, you can. 1 foot on it, that's good enough. Let's slow trot. New badger hole. Nice and easy. Good boy. Working trot. As you've seen in previous videos, this horse will not hit a hole. He's very, very aware and smart. We do have a prairie dog pound out in one of our pastures, and we spend time trying to kill them. And and we bury the holes. Unfortunately, the little cute burrowing owls come along and they dig the holes right back up, which means that if anything was in there that might live, it gets a chance to. And then the rattlesnakes take over the holes also. A little bit more energy, please. What a good boy. I thought we were going to have to deal with a crop duster this morning. I heard it go over early. I'm just as glad he's not out here. It's a great education for the horses. I don't like the poisons. Let's pay attention. No, it's okay, leave her alone. She dodged off to the side, it's okay, you can leave her alone. One of these days, one of the horses is going to stomp on her and it's going to teach her a lesson, I hope. And I see cattle up ahead. With a little luck, there are no sheep or guard dogs. Although I do see something that looks like guard dogs up there. We may have an exciting drive today. He's gotten some white calves. I don't think so, though. What? No, we're not following the dog. That was a pretty crappy circle, young man. Go. There you go. No, not that doesn't mean dodge that direction. Let's see if you can make a circle this direction without it being an issue. Amy's smart. She just stands still and waits. All right, girls, let's go. With luck, this will be a non-event. With luck, Nikki will be as smart as Amy about staying away from the dogs. Come here. I don't know whether those are guard dogs or whether those are llamas. Would you trot in the middle, please? Thank you. Nope, guard dogs. Nikki, come back here. Okay, you see those big dogs up there? Nikki, get back here. Dogs, she's not dangerous, she's just stupid. Yeah, you know what cows are. And you've seen the big dogs before. Nikki. Nikki. Okay. Nikki, come back here. And I don't know, I think that's a llama. It's okay. And you see, it's all okay. The nice thing is, going this direction, he has a lot of time to stop and look. No traffic, no traffic. Nikki? Llamas are scary things. And don't you dare be scared of the cows. Nikki? Nikki? Come here, Nikki. Nikki, you stupid idiot. Well, Nikki's about to find